Pituitary gland is located at the base of the option A brain, option B stomach, option C kidneys, option D liver. Correct answer is A, option A brain. Second one, deficiency of vitamin E results in option A scurvy, option B loss of fertility, option C rickets, option D beriberi. Correct answer is option D beriberi. Third question, the animal which uses tube feet for locomotion is option A jellyfish, option B silverfish, option C cuttlefish, option D starfish. Correct answer is option D starfish. Which of the following does not contain carbon? Option A protein, option B limestone, option C fat, option D rust. Correct answer is option D rust. Next question. The organism which respires through gills, lungs and skin is option A lizard, option B frog, option C sparrow, option D earthworm. Correct answer is option B frog. Sixth question. Tropically rainforests in India are mainly distributed in option A Eastern Ghats, option B Western Ghats, option C Vindhyachal Range, option D Northern Himalayas. Correct answer is option B Western Ghats. Seventh question. Which of the following countries won the World Cup Kabaddi tournament held in Ludhiana on April 12, 2010? Option A India, option B Thailand, option C Pakistan, option D Afghanistan. Correct answer is option A India. Eighth question. Raja Ravi Verma of Kerala was a renowned option A poet, option B danger, option C painter, option D singer. Correct answer is option C painter. Ninth question. The book The Zigzag Way has authored by option A Simran Sodhi, option B Anita Desai, option C Arundhati Roy, option D Nikhil S. Dixit. Correct answer is option B Anita Desai. 10th question. Which of the following is a cruise missile? Option A Prithvi, option B Sagarika, option C Nirbhay, option D Akash. Correct answer is option C Nirbhay. 11th question. The 4th Military World Games were held in October 2007 in India at option A Hyderabad, option B Chennai, option C Ahmedabad, option D Lucknow. Correct answer is option A Hyderabad. Next question. Who of the following received the Sanskriti Award for 2007 in the field of literature? Option A Jyoshna Kalita, option B K.A. Saji, option C K.P. Reji, option D Bijini Satpathy. Correct answer is option A Jyoshna Kalita. 13th question. The Legislative Council in a state can be abolished by the Parliament on the recommendation of option A the President, option B the Governor, option C the State Legislative Assembly, option D none of above. Correct answer is option C the State Legislative Assembly. 14th question. Which of the following atmospheric layers lies closest to the Earth? Option A mesosphere, option B exosphere, option C stratosphere, option D troposphere. Correct answer is option D troposphere. 15th question. The variety of steel which is resistant to acids is option A carbon steel, option B molybdenum steel, option C nickel steel, option D stainless steel. Stainless steel.